I'm in the middle of fitting parts into this C2. Now, for all the film critics out there, right, production analysts and experts, this may not be a good film or video for you to watch because it's gotta be a little shaky. But for the rest of us, I've got the dash in place and I glued it in there just so I can get a good feel for everything. Of course, I put the clutch in place, right? I've got the power brake in place here. Right. Accelerator, right? Of course, you see the emergency brake sitting there too, or, right? Parking brake rather. And the door jamb here, that's how it's gonna look. That's where it's gonna be. I do have an adjustment to make here because when you close it, it's a little tight there. So I'll make that adjustment. That's what this is for though. Of course, that's the look from behind there. And this moves freely without binding anywhere. This is what I wanted, right? Come around, see the rest of it here, from this view, this angle. Okay. I gotta put the other door on, make an adjustment there. But that's where it sits right now. What I don't have in here, I didn't hook the on-off switch up, no need for all that yet. I don't have the latch for the hood installed, don't need that. I know that already fits. But you'll see, some electronics here that gets put in here. Of course, the battery, all that, the cable ignition system's there. And underneath here, show a little bit of, so that hole there you see, that's where the latch release sticks out. When it's in there, just reach up in there and push it to release the hood. Of course, you know the brake and clutch pedal, as well as the accelerator, are all spring loaded. There'll also be another couple little doodads up in here on the floor, right? You know, those bright lights and all that stuff, and footrest. But for now, the next thing will be to, after making this adjustment in this door here, the next thing will be to put that door on and make that adjustment as well. Once I do that, you know, I've got this piece, this trim piece here for the windshield and dash. What it does is obviously covers up any gaps there and also gives the windshield something to rest upon. I'll fit the pillar pieces in here, these covers, and then I'll also fit the trim for the headliner. So, obviously I need to also fit the interior trim pieces for the rear windows. So that's coming next. Till then, thanks much. I gotta tell you, I like this part. Just for giggles.